Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to Cook with Hasiba. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make simple prawn roast recipe in a Kerala style with very few ingredients. I'm going to first marinate the prawns, fry them, and then going to saute them with the masala. The ingredients I have taken here are 250 grams of prawns, 2 teaspoons ginger and garlic paste, 1 onion medium size, 1 tomato chopped, 2 tablespoons tamarind pulp, and few curry leaves. On the other side, the spices which I have taken are turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and some salt to taste. You can adjust the spices according to your taste. Now in a bowl, I have taken the prawns. To this, add a pinch of turmeric powder, a very little salt, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder here. Give a good mix and then let it marinate for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now once the marination is done, in a pan you can take some oil. Now I have taken around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, immediately add the marinated prawns. Be very careful while adding the prawns. Now I am going to fry the prawns here. This is the first part of this recipe. Once the prawns are well fried, turn them around and fry on the other side too. Now once the prawns are fried both the side, remove them in a plate. Now with the same oil which is left over, we are going to fry the masala. Just remove the prawns. After removing the prawns, in the same oil, immediately add the chopped onion. Now the onion I have chopped is in a vertical position. We are going to saute the onion well here. Once the onion starts changing its color, now you can see the onion is bit transparent. I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, as 1 teaspoon I have already added in the prawns while marinating. Saute the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell fades away, or until the ginger garlic paste is fried well or sauteed well. Once the ginger and garlic paste is fried well, I am adding a pinch of turmeric powder, some salt. Adjust the salt according to your taste. Then immediately add the other spices, that's the chili powder, coriander powder. Give a good mix to the spices until the raw smell fades away, and then add the chopped tomato. Here we are going to saute the tomato until the skin of the tomato releases, or until the tomato is completely softened, because we want the tomato to be completely mashed. Once you see the tomato is being cooked, add the tamarind juice or the tamarind pulp and let it cook for few more minutes until the oil separates. After the tamarind pulp and the tomatoes are well cooked, we are going to add the fried prawns and few curry leaves. Keep mixing again and again, as we haven't added any water here. There are chances to get burnt. Once the tamarind juice is reduced in half of its quantity, I have immediately added the fresh curry leaves. Make sure you add fresh curry leaves, because the essence of the curry leaves will be well absorbed by the masala if you add it fresh. Keep mixing and then add the fried prawns. After adding the prawns, make sure you give it a good mix and let the masala get well absorbed by the prawns too. Actually the prawns had been fried already, but still the masala should be well coated by the prawns. Now this dish goes well with the rice or with the uttapam, dosa, roti or chapati or whatever you like. If you like to have it a bit watery, then you can add some more tamarind pulp. Now this is the simple prawn roast recipe. Please do try this recipe, and if you like this recipe, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know how well this recipe came out when you guys tried it. Please do share my recipes with the ones who loves cooking and with the ones who loves cooking. Thank you so much for watching.